campers, welcome back to the Rotary Planetarium and Science Center Virtual Science Summer Camps. We are now into week 4 and we have made it up to 3rd grade with our science kits, and we really appreciate everybody coming by the planetarium and picking up their kits, and I hope you'll enjoy this week's kit. This week's kit's a little bit different. We've got several activities in here to do. Our first activity is a balloon powered car. And so you just have to locate the materials that are inside. Here's the balloon powered car, and everything is in here to make your little balloon powered car. And there's these little big things here. Those are your weights that you use to weight down your car. We've got several ideas for you to, try your car out once you blow the balloon and let it go to see how fast it goes with or without the weights. That is one of the first activities in the kit. The second activity in our kit is building the catapult. And it is also located in a little bag, and there's several gigantic popsicle sticks, some that are green and some that are blue. And you will take these sticks and you'll put them together with rubber bands to make a little catapult. And these are these little fuzzy little pom-pom balls. I've got some right here, and you'll put them in the little plastic cup, and they'll just fly away. And one of the things we want you to try is to use other things besides the little pom-poms to see if it makes a difference, if it's one of these little lightweight pom-poms, or if you have a bean or a marble or anything like that that you can try at home that would change the action of your catapult, okay? And our last little kit, thing in our kit is with beans, and this will be making a lever. And you have a pencil in here, and you will take the little popsicle stick and you will bounce it on here, and you will make a little lever, and the directions will tell you to move your little popsicle stick, and depending on where your popsicle stick is will depend on where it goes. Also within our kit, there in your directions, there will be this neat little activity, which is using the 6 types of simple machines. And we're going to have a video in just later on in the week that's going to talk a little bit more about the simple machines, and maybe for you to go around your house and see if you can do a little scavenger hunt at your house to see if you can find different types of simple machines. But in order to do that, we have some little pictures to cut out to see if you can categorize all of your 6 simple machines. So there's lots of activities for that week, and hope you have a good time doing all your activities with the simple machines. Thanks, and stay tuned for this week.